Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Paul and today I am going to show you a simple process that you can use to retrieve your Wi-Fi password. It might happen that you are in a situation whereby you cannot be able to remember your Wi-Fi password, or maybe you have lost it. This video is going to help you access your Wi-Fi password once again. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Now, go to the search panel of your computer just next to home, then type control panel, then open it. When you open the control panel, you are going to see these different categories. Just click where it is written network and internet. Click again where it is written network and sharing center. Now you can see your basic network information and setup connections. Personally, I am connected to a public network, so go where it is written connections and click the Wi-Fi icon over here. In this part, you will be able to see the status of your Wi-Fi. Click where it is written wireless properties. Click the part labeled security. Here you will be able to see the type of your security, your encryption type, as well as your network security key. Click the part labeled show characters. And here is your password. If you found this video helpful, do me one great favor. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so as not to miss any future videos like this one. Thank you.